ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि पूरे सारे जगह ये आईबीडी करके एक डिजीज़ है जो बढ़ता जा रहा है। आईबीडी का मतलब है इन्फ्लेमेटरी बाउल डिजीज़। So in inflammatory bowel disease, what is happening is that the intestinal lining is getting inflamed. उसका मतलब है intestinal lining में जख्म आ गया है। तो इस वजह से patients have diarrhea, patients have abdominal pain, patients can have obstruction to the bowel, and patients can have occasionally vomiting because of this. The main problem which they have is either diarrhea with blood in the stools, or they have abdominal pain with diarrhea. So anybody who has pain and diarrhea, it could be inflammatory bowel disease. There are several causes of inflammatory bowel, such kind of symptomatology, but इसमें जो inflammatory bowel disease is a very specific diagnosis where patients have diarrhea for a long duration, and when we do an endoscopy we find evidence of inflammation in the intestinal lining. When we take biopsy, then our pathologists, they interpret the biopsy as such as that this has inflammatory bowel disease. Once we say that there is inflammatory bowel disease, there is a need to treat these patients on a long-term basis by specialists. So that is why IBD specialists are evolving as a very important branch of gastroenterology, so that these patients can have regular treatment and have to come to the hospital once in a month initially, and later on once in 3 months, once in 6 months, on a regular basis, so that we can keep them under chronic treatment. This disease may not be fully treatable but can be completely controlled with symptomatology, with these medications. So it's very important that these patients come regularly to the hospital, take their medicines, and they don't stop it as soon as the disease starts showing response. They have to keep on taking the medicines till the intestine is completely healed. So which we document by endoscopy as well as by biopsy. Now, why is this disease increasing in our country? There is a phenomenal change in our lifestyle. First of all, stress has increased. Second is eating out has increased. There is a huge change in the kind of food pattern that we are eating. We are eating more and more processed food, more and more packaged food, more and more foods which have insecticide, pesticides in it, and more often we are eating food which have less fiber. So fiber is very important in our Indian diet. Indian diet में हमेशा फाइबर बहुत ज़्यादा होता था, इसके वजह से इंटेस्टाइन की मूवमेंट हमेशा अच्छी रहती थी. फाइबर जैसे ही कम हो जाता है, इंटेस्टाइन गोज इनटू कॉन्स्टिपेटेड मोड, इंटेस्टाइन में बैक्टीरिया बढ़ जाते हैं, एंड दैट रिजल्ट्स इन क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइन. There is no particular single bacteria which causes this disease. It is a combination of abnormal bacteria which is sitting on the intestinal lining, which initiates this inflammation. Quite often some people are genetically predisposed to this condition. That means if the mother or the father have IBD, the children can have greater risk of IBD. Processed food is very important, especially for the next generation, because we are seeing that IBD is increasing in our country. IBD is of two types: ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. So these are seeing such a patient, and patients are having definitive tests जैसे colonoscopy हुआ, and then we take a biopsy so we can make a definitive diagnosis. So because of these reasons, IBD is also increasing in our country. One is because of changing dietary pattern, and second is of more positive diagnosis in the last couple of years.